101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart up your life, still with BPC. BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Wow. Okay. My next question. Okay, you, Miss Mala.
Yep.
What is, or maybe what are the beneficials of public speaking did you got?
The benefits.
Yes.
Because I'm a teacher, so I need it. Especially how to be wise person. Sometimes somebody said that you don't need to laugh in front of all of your students because it will lose your wisdom. But I think when I want to laugh, I can do it, but not too loud because somebody when you laugh too loud, they will say, "Oh, she's not wise. She's not a good teacher." They can read what is in your mind. They can read your attitude by your laugh, by the way you speak. Not only for the teachers, but for all of public speakers, we can read their attitude and their wisdom. First, I don't know. I didn't know how to be. Better. But I learned from my past. I don't need to do this. I don't need to say this. I don't need to make some reasons when I cannot teach them. I mean it's good for me because I'm a teacher and I teach kids, so I need to be more wiser.
Okay, so you receive or got day by day, week by week, or month by month, year by year, something like new treatments, new methods. New methods, new way how to
every day
adapt with your students, with your letting students, your friends also, even on social media or
in front of all of my
offline
friends,
and online, something like that, right?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
We learn how to get better.
Okay, that's the cover all actually. Do you still have any explanation to give addition about it?
Give addition. Talking about public speaking, it means that you learn how to get better, how to be a wise person, how to be not too much talk to all of people because something too much is not good.
Okay, good.
That's how I
this
learned
is
from my
about
experience.
accuration, right? Okay, but guys, don't forget to prepare yourself to mention maybe words, special words, wise words, vocabulary relate to our topic. Okay, prepare yourself. What about you? Do you have something like what did you got about beneficial of public speaking?
About the beneficial that I got, I get more confidence than before.
Okay.
And I get and I got new knowledge, and I get more spirit to speak.
Okay, confidence
than before.
Confidence, new knowledge, and more spirit than before.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Nice. Prepare yourself to give special words.
Okay.
Right? Okay. What about you? What is the question?
What your question?
What is the?
This is so funny. This is my first time. I forget my question. Oh my god. Yeah. What is the beneficial? What did you get?
The beneficial?
The beneficial of public speaking.
Oh. The benefits for the public speaking. That's for us or for me?
For me, no. For you, for peoples. For all peoples.
The first is for me. That is really help me to tell how to tell the good information and how to suggest someone to following what I say. After that, it will be make me better from the before.
Like a better.
Better than he can.
Okay. Okay.
Badak than
So I mean, you are how to say, you more be a good receiver, communicator,
that's right.
something like that, right?
Oh, yeah, I start from senior high school. First time I just know it's yes no lope, but now I stand here, speak here. That's it.
Yeah, very
I think
realistic.
really better from the past. Yeah.
Okay, more confident, more knowledge, like
I think
similar with Brian.
Confidence is by individual person. Is actually it's not. I'm not confident today. I'm still nervous.
Until now, you're still not
Yes.
confident. Really?
I'm shy.
Do not say like that. Okay, I move to Adele. What about you, Adele? Do you get a point?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
No.
Okay, time is your 60 seconds. No, kidding.
60 seconds? Whoa.
Okay, come on, continue.
About beneficial. Okay, about beneficial, I got many knowledge also, and can increase my critical thinking.
Yep.
And also confident. Yes, this is really important for introvert person.
Okay.
To increase your confidence. Yes. Okay. I think enough for me. If you how to say, as the shy to ask, malu bertanya. You
Susah dijawab.
yes, lost.
Not like malu bertanya, jalan terus.
Okay.
That's the real, right? That's the real.
Yeah,
That's the real in the. Okay. Do you have a conclusion about our topic tonight?
Okay, about topic today, I just want to say for public speaking can make you can change your life, because so many knowledge I can got from if I confident to public speaking. Yes, can increase your when you're shy and you're same with me introvert person. I got many insight. I got many knowledge I can got from public speaking. So many beneficial can got from public speaking for me.
Okay, everything is beneficial.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Rifki? What is your conclusion about our topic tonight?
Conclusion.
Conclusion. Conclusion.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, it's true.
That's it. Publicity will be guaranteed yourself for the future, and how to you get the easy jobs from the interview one. Yeah, if you can stand by the HRD and ask and tell what the information for you ourselves to join the company, that will be really help you to find a good job.
Okay, good. From deep heart. What about you? What is your conclusion for our topic tonight?
My conclusion about this topic today. If you want to like public speaker, the first one is don't be nervous, and don't say it.
Yeah. Okay, absolutely.
and don't make a pillar word. Pillar words.
Filler words.
Yeah, pillar.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Brian. What about you? What is your conclusion? Not conclusion. Yes, conclusion tonight
Conclusion.
about our topic.
Yeah, for being a public speaker,
Yes.
It means that we learn something to get better. Yeah, not only to when we speak to the public, but the way we act our age. Yep,
Something like that.
that's for me.
Okay. Okay, make it fast. Do you have a vocabularies?
I don't.
Okay, wise word,
Wise word?
idioms.
I have no idea.
Okay, what about you? Make it fast. Do you have vocabularies, wise word, vinyl statement?
I just have one vocabularies.
Okay, Please.
Is self-confidence.
Yes.
Percaya diri.
Okay, thank you. Make it fast. Do you have a special word?
Yeah,
vocabulary?
special word.
What
We're
is
talking
that?
about something like cat is running. Cat is meaning hujan deras.
Okay.
Yes, right.
Like cats and dogs.
No.
And
Yes, this one.
only one word.
Only one.
Okay, what about you, Adele? Make it fast. Do you have a special word, vocabularies, or idioms?
I have vocabularies.
Yes.
First is knowledge, pengetahuan, and
Uh-huh.
then insight, pengetahuan also. And then critical thinking, berpikir kritis.
Yes.
Okay, I think enough for me.
Oh, thank you guys for coming here. Okay, once again, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, give a applause for us. Oh, thank you for coming, guys. That's all our conversation tonight about the importance of public speaking. So we will be right there every Tuesday at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, only on Smartfm 101.1, The Spirit of Indonesia. See you next week. Bye.